I got to spend this past weekend in beautiful Lake Tahoe, a mountain town in California. We came at a time where winter was transitioning to spring. There's still some powder on the ground, but the days are warmer and the sunsets are magnificent. Being outdoors, especially in places like this, makes me feel so calm and at peace. Just getting to enjoy the snow, fresh air, and beautiful views. There are a few places I would rather be. The lake is deceivingly deep and switches from reflecting the blue sky to being a greenish, tealish shade. We got to relax at the lake, soak in the sunlight, and do what I like to call photosynthesize. However, looking back on this weekend, what really stands out to me the most was the time I got to spend with a couple of new friends. We had no itinerary and let ourselves wander in the snow with no target destination in mind, just letting ourselves go with the flow.
Time to get up. They're calling your name now. Better get up. You can't leave against me, darling. I will pull you to the waves that will soften the blow. You can't leave against me, darling. I will hold you. You know. Oh, sweet silence, yours to play. If I smash these cups and saucers, will you go far away? It's time to get up.
When we weren't outdoors, we were in the kitchen making quesadillas, breakfast burritos, garlic bread, and more.
You can't leave against me, darling. I will pull you to the waves that will soften the blow. You can't leave into this sweetness. I will hold you. You know. Let go.
And our nights were full of board games.
That will soften the blow. You can't leave into this sweetness. I will hold you.
And just like that, the weekend came to an end and it was time for us to drive back home. Things had felt a bit normal again for a moment there. But to Lake Tahoe, thank you for re-energizing me with your beautiful nature. And to my new friends, I can't wait to spend more time with you both. Until then, stay safe and take care.